Commodore Clipper, the Commodore Goodwill, docked in St Malo Harbour. Bonfire night for Northern Irish people, 11th of July 2009. Johnny Blair here in St Malo, doing the city on my own, the walled city. Later to go to port there, heading from St Malo to Guernsey to Poole later on. This boat probably heading back to Portsmouth in the south of England. St Malo Harbour. Quite a nice city actually, much nicer in the daytime. Last night it was dreary and it looked there was nothing here. And you see the walls, a few restaurants, a bit lively, creveries, patisseries, really French, traditional food and people and shops. And in the distance another harbour and a beach, plenty of seagulls. One just missed my head there. This is St Malo.